Hello everyone, welcome back to Be10x channel. Today we are going to see how ChatGPT can help us to interpret the salary compensation and bonus breakdown in a payroll letter. Okay.
If you are someone using Excel in your day-to-day job, let me tell you something, you are going to be replaced unless you are integrating AI in your Excel. If you integrate AI in your Excel workflow, let me tell you something, you are going to be 10x more productive and you will be getting that promotion that you deserve. If you want to learn all this, join me for my 2 hours workshop on Excel using AI.
Let's see our compensation detail. Okay, this is a sample. Okay, this is sample details. It has the headings like earnings, current period amount, year-to-date amount, and there is basic pay, transport allowance, meal coupon, total earnings, taxes, deductions. So any payroll letter, these details will be there. Okay. Some details may not be there. Some details may be there. Some extra details also may be there. Okay. So this is the basic things. Okay. So, and the values are also here. Okay. For what is the total earnings and how much is the income tax. Okay. So now let's use ChatGPT to interpret the salary compensation and bonus breakdown. Okay, guys. Now let's go over here. Okay. So this is the ChatGPT and I have already attached the Excel sheet over here. Okay. You have joined a new company and they have given you the breakdown. You are not aware. Okay. At the time of the induction program, though the HR and the finance team, they have explained, still you have queries. Okay. So now ChatGPT is there, nothing to worry. It can give you all the details. And also if you want to, okay, add some or the other instruction, or if you want to give some other component and how to calculate, and if you want to think that I want to get this value, do the calculation, that also ChatGPT can provide. Okay. So even if you are from finance background, if you want to do some compensation benefit for an employee, you can use ChatGPT, okay, as a learning purpose, as well as you can give instructions such that it can devise formulas for employees' benefit. Okay, guys. So let me go as how to prompt the details. Okay. I'm giving attached about the salary details of an employee. Okay. So, and as we all aware, the headings are in bold, right? The earnings, the current period, total earnings. The ChatGPT should understand. Okay. These are all the headings like that. Okay. So I'm giving headings are in bold font. Okay. And now I want to know the formula as how to calculate each component step by step. Okay. So that any newcomer or a beginner, it should be easy to understand the compensation structure. Okay. So I will ask, explain the formulas. And how to calculate each component step by step for any new beginner to understand the compensation structure. Okay. So this is the prompt. Okay. Let's see how it's giving. I'll start by opening the file and examining its content. Okay. So it is downloading. Okay. So the salary details file contains the following things, right? Basic pay, transport allowance, meal coupon, and total earnings. Basic pay, transport, meal coupon, and total earnings. Okay. Okay. So each row lists a component of the salary, the amount for the current period, and the cumulative period for the year to date. This is the cumulative period they're telling, year to date. Okay. And we need to understand the component. Okay. So basic pay, this is typically the fixed component of an employee salary, which is agreed upon as part of the employee contract. Okay. The next is the transport allowance. So what is transport allowance? It is given the detail. And what is meal coupon? Like some people will be getting like Sodaxo, meal card. So that is the meal coupon. Okay. So, and this total earnings, this is the sum of all the earnings like basic pay plus transport allowance. Okay. And formulas and calculation. Okay. This is the formulas. Okay. The basic pay, this is a fixed amount and does not require a calculation. Okay. The basic pay. And the transport allowance, this may be a fixed amount or calculated amount on certain criteria like distance from the work. But in this document, it is listed as a fixed amount. Okay. So as per the document. Okay. Then meal coupon. This also provided as a fixed component. And total earnings, right? Calculated by the sum of the basic pay, transport allowance, and meal coupon. So all together added, this is the total earnings it's giving. So the formula is here. Okay. And to calculate the year-to-date amount for each component, you would typically add the current period amount for each salary period from the beginner of the year. Okay, so if you need a more detailed explanation or by step-by-step instruction on how to perform these calculations, please let me know. So it's asking, right? If you need further detailed explanation, okay. Now, whatever the information we are seeing, it's like a grassroots level, okay. Let's ask detailed explanation. Okay, that is the advantage of this AI tools guy like ChatGPT. Okay, and I would like to add one important update. Okay, as you all aware that AI is taking over the world. In such a short span of time, we have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI. You don't want to get affected by this recession wave. AI won't replace you, but the person using the AI will replace your job, right? So if you want to save your job and become irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tools workshop, in which we'll teach you about the best AI tools to upskill, increase your productivity, and enhance your career. Okay, so make your future secure with us. Join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description. Okay, I will show you the description. Okay, so I'm going for be10x.in. Okay, so this will be the home page. Okay, be10x, our workshops. Okay, click this part. So it will take you to the workshop. These are the workshops, upcoming workshops. So master ChatGPT and AI tools. I'm going here. So you can see learn to use AI tools and ChatGPT. The next workshop will be on November 11. Okay, and what is the bonus? And you can see the reviews and testimonies. Okay, and why to join this course. So all these details are there. Okay, specifically designed for working professionals. So definitely it will save your time. It will save your life. Definitely AI tools will change the nation. Okay, so don't miss to click the link in the below description. Okay, guys, now let's go back to our program. Okay. If you need a more detailed explanation or by step-by-step instruction on how to perform this calculation, please let me know. Yes, I am giving. Yes. Provide the detailed explanation. Okay, so it's giving, let's break down the salary structure and calculation of each component step by step. So basic pay, what is it? Is a core of the salary package. So this we already got it. Okay, in the top we have seen. The amount is usually determined by the company based on employee's role. So how to calculate it? The basic pay is typically not calculated, but is a set amount that is known in advance. For example, if the monthly basic pay is 3,000, then for each month, this amount remains the same. Okay, unless there is a contractual change such as annual increment. Similarly, transport allowance. What is this? Okay, so how it is determined? And what is meal coupon? Okay, how it is determined? So how to calculate it? Like basic pay and transport allowance. If this is a fixed component, no calculation is needed. Okay, here comes the main part, total earnings. So this represents the sum of all different components. So all the informations are given. and how to calculate it. Okay, how to calculate it, like basic pay plus transport allowance plus meal coupon. That's what here. Okay, and we got this amount, and they have given an example also. So like they have given basic pay 3,380, so transport allowance. So this is the total earnings. Okay, and if this was the first month of this year, okay, would you like to go through an actual example with the figures from the file you provided? I'm giving yes. Okay, because this above values are just for sample. I'm giving, we need the exact details, right? Let's see. Yes. So you can keep asking, you can communicate. It will be like a coding companion. Okay, that is a ChatGPT. Let's see what it's doing. Let's hold on, guys. Okay, it's processing. So based on the figures from the file, so basic pay is 33,840, transport allowance, so meal coupon. So it has given 73,038. Okay, and year to date earnings calculation, how it has done year to date 79. Okay, for a new beginner, it is important to understand that the year to date amount will increase with each pay period as it's a cumulative over the year. Okay, so now you might have come to know. Okay, so how the compensation details are structured. Okay, so I hope you liked this session, guys. See you again. Take care. Bye bye.